Hello, I'm Latanja Muhammad, founder of College Cost Cutter. Welcome to Countdown to the FAFSA. 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility. We are on day 14, almost halfway through the month of November. If you are just joining us in this series, please check out the description below and watch the videos prior to this one and get caught up. We will be continuing our discussion of common mistakes that families make when completing the FAFSA. And today's topic is how 529 balances are counted. So, under the parent assets section on the FAFSA, we're using the form from last year since this year's form is not yet released. There are many assets that the family can include, many types of investments, stocks and bonds and other securities and real estate. But also, part of this total includes education savings accounts, such as 529s. Well, a family may have multiple children in the household for which they are contributing into their 529s. And what we want families to understand is that for this student's FAFSA, we should only include their portion of the balance in the 529 account. If we include the whole balance for all of the siblings in the household, we will be double dinging ourselves, increasing our reported assets on the FAFSA, and reducing our financial aid eligibility. So remember, only report the 529 amount for each individual student completing the FAFSA. So that concludes our quick tip for today. Thank you so much for joining us. Remember to like and share this information and invite others to join us for this series, Countdown to the FAFSA. 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.